So guys, I'm discussing about that how to increase the Instagram followers through Facebook for the free option. In this main reason, a lot of people are looking for Instagram followers. The main thing is called content posting, your Facebook regular post and engagement. This compulsory important for the event option. And second thing is called add Instagram follow button on Facebook. Instagram follow button on Facebook. First, set your option. First, we can add in the particular page. We can add option name is called Instagram follow button option. In this purpose, we can use option name is fbapp.us is a website. In this scrolling here, you're selecting for Instagram here. Here, add your page. Select it. For the page name, they will be coming to here. So in this, add the tab option. Don't selecting for wrong Facebook page option. Don't selecting for wrong Facebook page. Here tab adding for Instagram here. Previous no tab will be the Instagram here. But now adding for after live, the showing for adding for Instagram tab. Here just add your username. Here your thumbnail. Anything will be showing to here. Thumbnail option. In this. Now is the previous one. Now refresh. The showing for here. So how we can show to customer will be in this option. Open for incognito window. They click here. I'm not logging. Just I'm showing how to use for visit. Click for view profile. They go to profile option. Now here increase the followers. And content is more important. What are the content sharing? Automatic update by in this option will be here. Next thing. So content will be ready in this option. Second thing. So what are the content you're posting will be here. The content will be along with what are the content you're sharing. Copy. Select the post option. Here. Copy link. In this, they're showing for via Instagram here. Click for post. What are the posts you've done by your Instagram? That will share on your Facebook page also. These are based on your posting. They will be follow on your Facebook page and Instagram also. So this is called integrate with your Facebook post and your Instagram post. Now let us see here, refresh. Automate share any tools will be not there. We have to share by the manually by using Instagram to Facebook option is there. Or we can using for when you're connecting for Facebook to Instagram, then we can sharing for using Facebook Creator Studio option. I'm doing for manual option. So yeah. So what will be done? We have post. We can show in here in this final click for here. They go to where Instagram post. If nobody can follow, already I'm following here. If not follow, they're showing for follow button. These are the regular you can posting for sharing your post from Facebook to your Instagram. One more important question, your Facebook page engagement is compulsory mandatory to increase your Instagram post engagement and increase the followers. Your engagement reach is more preference on the particular increase the Instagram followers. Is a totally free option. That is called, there's a method we have to follow this one to increase the Instagram followers and the Facebook page engagement is more important to the increase the Facebook to increase the Instagram followers. Don't forget the button. And We have one more option here. After adding the button, we have to move the button will be last to first option. In this, go to setting. In this option name is called template and tabs. Selecting tab option, wherever position, we can move to the any position will be here. You can change any position will be here up to date option. So I'm now changing for Instagram will be here. So yeah, now back. Previous is a dead end. Now will be fourth and third place will be given by the in this. So they're now showing for where is the third option. This is a tab and your owner is there. They can't show here. Any new user, they go to view profile. After that, the showing will be like this. So this is a follow for any users. The show will be like this. So this is called increase the Instagram followers by using Facebook option.